fucking drama with somebody. It's
Talk
crazy.
shit, get hit, bitch.
Alright, I guess. Here you go. Appreciate you.
You not having any?
Nah, Albie told me that shit is strong as fuck, so I'ma just chill out.
Ooh, I'm so scared.
What happened? Frankie can't hang anymore?
What else you got to do today?
It's a fucking Friday, bitch. Who's gonna get mad? Your mans?
Nah, she ain't got no man. The bitch eat pussy.
Eat that shit and fucking straighten yourself out. Tell you that.
Why she do you like that?
Whatever. I don't wanna fucking peer pressure me. I'll have a fucking piece of the brownie. Oh, shit. Hold up. Yo. Alright, I'm in the Spanish hallway bathroom side. Alright.
Anyways. Yo, let me call Zan real quick.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna pay you back later, though.
You gonna pay me back
This
for
bitch
one?
never got
Yes,
no
bitch.
money.
I got
Never,
you.
bro.
Y'all know I don't carry cash.
Whatever. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright. What's about? A bitch trying to graduate. I'm not playing games.
Whatever.
Bye.
Don't forget my fucking cash, though.
Got you at lunch.
Don't forget it.
I got you at lunch. Bye. Be safe.
Love you.
Alright?
Bye. Don't forget.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Doing, I just re-upped, right?
All right.
10 grams of hash and easy bake up. So check me. What you really trying to do?
That's it.
That's how we do it. That's mine. That's mine. Hold on.
You look like sunshine.
Thank you. So, I want to try it.
I don't know. Have you even smoked?
I mean, I smoke with my brothers, but I haven't gotten like high.
Then I don't know, baby. This might be too much for you.
Try me.
All right. I got one last piece of brownie left. But I don't know. It's strong, and I don't know if you can hang. You really just ate that whole thing.
Okay. Out of everybody here, who would you pipe?
Oh, no, no.
Are you serious? You got all these options up here. Oh, yo, can I get a cookie?
They're $1. I'm selling these to raise money for neglected and abused kids.
Raising money for kids. That's a good. I like when you guys do these causes things for kids, because kids, you know what I'm saying? No, go and keep that. That's all you, baby. Do your thing.
Thanks.
Oh my God. See that? I'd pipe the shit out of her.
That skinny ass version?
Yes, I'd pipe the
Why,
fuck
bro?
out of her.
Why? You tripping?
It's the innocence in her. She untainted. I like that. That's some sexy ass shit. Mm-hmm.
Yo, what you think they do on weekends?
I don't know, nigga. They probably fucking go to the movies or play mini golf or some dumb shit like that.
For sure. And then after they be like, all right, gang, let's go get some ice cream now.
Yeah, but you know we gotta be home by 11 because my mom likes me home by 11. So sometimes I need to be.
Every time their mama be home waiting for them, like, hey, honey, how are you? I got you some brownies. You want me to tuck you in? All that bullshit, because they're always there, bro.
She high.
I think she high. It's that brownie.
You gave her that fucking brownie?
I gave it a fucking brownie.
That little ass girl?
Fuck.
All right.
Bitch, you would not believe the shit I heard today.
What's that?
Fucking Alec told me that this bitch Cassie was fucking talking mad shit about me to my man.
The fuck?
Hell yeah. She was saying, oh, watch out. She's nasty. Oh, be careful. She's been with so many guys. Bitch, shut the fuck up. Who the fuck are you, first of all?
Yo, bro, when you see her at Junior's, just clap that ass.
Oh, shit. You didn't hear.
About what?
The party's canceled.
Why?
Fucking Albi's brownies got everybody and their mom sick. In fucking class, this bitch Danielle with the poofy hair, she passed out and Sarah threw up all over her. That shit was funny. I'm surprised you're good.
Wait, what?
Yeah, she's on her way to the ER right now, as we speak. But bitch, that shit don't matter. What the fuck, like?
That girl with the curly hair?
Yeah, the girl with the curly hair, yes. She passed out, she went to the ER, yes. Okay, back to me, bitch. Fuck this bitch Cassie. Like, fuck the party, fuck everything. If I fucking see this hoe tomorrow, it's a quick pop, pop, 1, 2. 1, 2 and on the fucking floor, I tell you that much. Yo, you good? What are you doing? No, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? Bitch, I was supposed to copy you tomorrow.
Fuck that shit. I'm done with that stupid shit, bro. And you can cop from whoever you want, bro. Everybody fucking, like, everybody's a fucking plug. Like, you can real deal get it from the fucking school vending machine, bro. Don't nobody give a fuck.
I don't even know who to cop from, that's the thing. Whatever. You want another bump?
She's gonna be fine.
She'll be fine.
Yeah. Yeah. It's straight. It's straight.
Tell me when you've been, where you going. I've been drinking blunts till the morning. I know you've been thinking about the moments. Broke too many bad friends. I lost too many best friends. She got me insane. Why does no one get me? Get me? Oh, it hurts. Too many days gone by, what a waste of youth. Too many days online trying to make it too. I've been on a spaceship too. I've been trying to make some moves, sensation illuminate.